Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Ford Edge Limited all-wheel drive. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 184,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Thank you for viewing our 2008 Chevy Equinox.